Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with MuchDutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Erwtensoep, or pea soup in English. This is how we say Erwtensoep. Erwtensoep. The W is pretty much silent. Erwtensoep. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable. Erwtensoep. 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 Erwtensoep is a hearty soup, often with smoked sausage, rookworst, onions, carrots and potatoes. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on MuchDutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!